Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the Chromebook off and unplugging everything, then remove any external media. Once done, flip it and remove the bottom screws. Keep them organized by location. Make sure to pry open carefully along the seam and expose the internal components. You must disconnect the internal battery next to avoid shorting. This step prevents damage and lets you safely access the display cable and hinge area, which are the usual failure points on Dell Chromebooks. Next, open the lid and use plastic picks to gently unclip the bezel. Work slowly to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the panel is exposed, follow the hinge to where the LVDS/EDP display cable routes into the chassis and inspect the connector and cable for kinks, wear, or loose locking tabs. If the connector is loose, lift its latch, fully seat the cable, then lock it back down. After reseating and retaping, reconnect the battery and power on briefly to test the screen. If the screen still shows artifacts or no image after reseating, the only reliable fix is swapping the LCD panel for a compatible Dell replacement. The cable-only fix won't help a damaged panel. Remove hinge screws, detach the panel, install the new unit, then resecure hinges and bezel in reverse order, making sure torque is even. Finally, test with the internal panel and an external monitor. If external output works but the internal stays blank, the panel or cable was the issue. Otherwise, suspect the main board.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.